In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front lower control arm on your Kia Sorento. Located behind the front wheels, let's get started. Using a 21mm socket, we're going to remove the wheel. Remove the wheel. We're going to start by removing this pin. I'm going to be using a set of wire cutters. Go ahead and bend the arms and pull it out. Using a 17mm wrench and a 17mm socket, we're going to go ahead and hold on to the nut and then remove the bolt. And take out the bolt. Next up, we're gonna grab a hammer and we're gonna tap around this area, being very careful. Now we're gonna go ahead and use a pry bar and pull down on it. Next up, we're gonna remove this 17mm bolt. Using a 17mm socket, go ahead and take it off. Remove the bolt. Next up, we're gonna remove this bolt. On one side, we're gonna be using a 19mm wrench, and that's just to hold the nut in place. And on the bottom, we're gonna use a 19mm socket to remove the bolt. Go ahead and take it out. Go ahead and grab the nut. And now we can grab the control arm and slide it out. Just like that. And now we're ready to install the new one. Make sure you remove the dust cover that comes on the new ball joint. Now we can go ahead and install this bolt. Sometimes it helps if you use a small pry bar to help you align it. Once you have the hole lined up, go ahead and use the gun just to slide it in. Once you have it in place, go ahead and put the knot by hand. And right now, we're just gonna get it snug. Go ahead and align this one using a small pry bar to help you. Go ahead and put some pressure on the bottom, line it up, and slide the bolt in. Go ahead and get it snug. And now we can go ahead and install the ball joint to the knuckle. Line it up with the hole. And using a rubber mallet, just tap it on the bottom. Once you have it in place, go ahead and slide your bolt in. Put the nut by hand. And now we're gonna go ahead and snug it up. Next up, we're gonna use a screw jack in this case to put some pressure on the suspension before we go ahead and torque everything down. This is gonna imitate the vehicle being on the ground. Go ahead and apply some pressure. And now we're ready to torque everything down. Now we're gonna torque this one to 115 foot-pounds. Now we can torque this one to 87 foot-pounds. Go ahead and hold the nut on one side with a wrench and torque it to 87 foot-pounds. And now we can install a new cotter pin. Slide it in. Using a pair of needle nose pliers, go ahead and bend both of the ends. To lock it in. Now we can go ahead and torque this one to 101 foot-pounds. And get it torqued. Now we can go ahead and remove the screw jack. And now it will be a perfect time to bring the vehicle to an alignment shop to get it aligned. Install the wheel, align the holes. Start your lug nuts by hand. And get them snug. With the vehicle on the ground, we're gonna go ahead and torque our wheel to 79.6 foot-pounds. And for that, we wanna make sure we do a star pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.